Could the future of money be a digital currency that lives in our computers and smartphones, rather than in our wallets? An intriguing thought, isn't it? Welcome, you curious minds, to a discussion on the ever-evolving world of finance, where we delve into the complexities of cryptocurrency and its potential to replace traditional paper money. Imagine a world where you could send money across the globe as easily as sending a text message. That's the promise of cryptocurrency. It's digital, decentralized, and often encrypted, offering a level of privacy and security that traditional paper money simply can't match. But what does that mean for the future of finance? Let's consider the features and implications of both cryptocurrency and traditional paper money. Cryptocurrency is the new kid on the block, a digital alternative to traditional currency. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or central authority. Transactions are transparent, yet anonymous, recorded on a public ledger known as a blockchain. Its value is volatile, fluctuating wildly in response to market demand. On the other hand, we have traditional paper money, the old guard of finance. It's a physical entity, regulated by governments and central banks. Its value is relatively stable, backed by the trust and confidence of the people who use it. However, it's susceptible to inflation and can be easily counterfeited. The debate over the future of cryptocurrency is a hot topic. Some hail it as the future of finance, a potential replacement for traditional paper money. Others see it as a risky and unstable investment, a tool for illicit activities, or a bubble waiting to burst. The truth likely lies somewhere in between. In recent news, several major U.S. banks have been targeted by regulators due to their involvement with cryptocurrencies. This has led to questions about regulatory neutrality and judgment. It's clear that as cryptocurrency grows in popularity, the regulatory landscape will need to adapt. Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, continues to function as a politically neutral global open-source protocol for value transfer. It's a testament to the resilience of this new form of currency and its potential to shake up the financial world. In summary, the future of cryptocurrency remains uncertain. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we do business, offering a level of convenience, security, and privacy that traditional paper money can't match. However, it also faces significant challenges, including regulatory scrutiny, market volatility, and public skepticism. This ongoing debate about the future of cryptocurrency is a testament to the transformative power of technology and the enduring importance of money in our lives. Whether cryptocurrency will replace paper money is a question that only time can answer. But one thing is certain: the world of finance will never be the same again.